Stop cooking in non-stick pots. They're made with Teflon. Teflon is banned in all of Europe. Teflon releases over 48 different chemicals in your food. Heavy metals lodged up in your brain causing dementia and memory loss and Alzheimer. Do you know that dementia and Alzheimer and memory loss is only caused by aluminum? Without aluminum, such disease does not exist. Now, where does the aluminum come from? Come from your deodorant. It comes from the aluminum pots that you're cooking with, and it comes from those fucking non-stick pots that you keep cooking with. I see on the commercial they're talking about, oh, non-stick pots. Oh, it's not gonna stick. Ah, y'all niggas like dumbasses running out there buying that shit. The only pots you should be cooking with is copper pots, stainless steel pots, cast iron pots, glass pots, or ceramic pots. Again, only pots you should be cooking with is copper pots, stainless steel pots, cast iron pots, ceramic pots, or glass pots. Okay? No other pots. Do not cook in aluminum pots. Do not cook in non-stick pots. Okay? It's poisoning you. Heavy metals into your body. Now, I know people are gonna ask, so what is a heavy metal? A heavy metal is 12 times the weight of a water molecule, which means that your body can't really get rid of it. You see? This is why you gotta use chlorophyll. Okay, the chlorophyll is gonna bind with the heavy metals, pull them out of the body.